Yay! Woo! Ay, dragon pala yun. Hey guys! Ito na kami. Third leg na po ng aming El Nido cruise. So, ay talaga ba? We're on to how many destinations? Like, we're on to 7 destinations today. And yeah, I don't know where we're going. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Sweeney, Jaline, and Sam. Yeah. Kulang po kami ngayon because Mama Mia is going home. Wala na kaming taga-picture. Yung aming resident photographer is out. We will meet her on... Okay, tomorrow. We will meet her tomorrow in Puerto Princesa. Tawa-tawa lang yan, pero... Baka lipawin naman. Pero iniinit na yan. Maluluto na siya. Toasted na siya later. Toasted Sweeney. May energy ka ba?
Eh, kung kayo, sinasabi yung wala na kayong energy. Ano pa kaya ako?
Lobat na si Samantha. Lalo na to. Lobat na siya, oh.
Cha-charge pa yan.
Ayun.
Kaya pa mag-charge na to eh. Ako yung charger ko na iwan sa bahay.
Ikaw, charger mo ito eh.
Baka ako yung charge.
So, sino ka-chat mo? Eh, ito yung charger mo.
Kanya phone.
Kaya nga, mamaya na.
Feeling ko ngayon ako nagka-energy. Wala ako energy na past few days.
That's all for today. Bye!
Nag-extra siya agad.
Baka na ba yan?
Oh my God. That's all for today. Bye!
Guys! I'm here again! Hi! The energy is 100%.
Ang bilis naman ang charging mo.
Sama mo sila ako. Tara! Ay, tara dito! Helicopter, di ba?
Wala si Edolin. Ako.
1, 2, helicopter!
Makakap tayo. Awa.
Magano na? 1, paano?
Makatama tayo ah. 1, 2,
3,
3,
helicopter! Guys, dito yung helicopter. Hindi ko alam bakit wala siyang landing.
Yes! Bakit hindi helicopter? Yung kasi sa helicopter island.
Bakit?
Hindi ko dito mo eh. Ano nangyayari?
I'm burning.
You're
Yeah, true. I'm burning. I am team red. I am team red because I'm burning.
Going to Australia. Yeah.
How many minutes do we have? So my GoPro is broke. This is a fancy GoPro. I know. It's a GoPro 9.
Yeah, but I want a 360.
Oh, is that the DJI one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I can
I think it's broken. Oh. I'm in the back of jail, so maybe jail can like edit it.
No, I won't do that.
Oh, guys. Amelia, have you got in the video? I know you love the video. Camera shy. Say hi, camera shy.
Maganda mag-post yun. Opo.
yung sound sila. Ang alat kasi eh.
Dali, tingin ka. Hi guys.
Ito ba yun?
So this is our boat, guys.
Pretending land was our own, couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Katlaw Lagoon. Katlaw. Oh, dali. Katlaw Lagoon. Kaya. Dali. Okay. Yung talaga tignan yung likod niya. Ina-ina ako. Ayan o. Okay na? Kita ba siya? Kita niyo yung ano? Bond paper doon. Guys! Ito yung ano.
Papakita namin sa inyo si Jen. Nilagay ko sa likod niya. Kaya baka na siyang bond paper.
Ayoko na kasi. Tama na. Nawawalan ako ng energy kakatawa.
Kasi hindi talaga ako marunong maglagay. Malay ko bang papapahid pala? Akala ko spray lang.
Oo, yung palang may puro white kasi yung likod niya.
Inunuko wala akong space talaga. Tapos papahid pala yun. Di ba bond paper?
Yan yung ginawa niya. Yan yung ginawa niya, katangahan. Grabe yung white cast. Go paddle. May Philippine paddle boat. Philippine paddle boat? Ay, dragon pala yun.
Oy, jump!
1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Hoy ako! Kailangan ko ng life vest dyan! Oh, doble, doble! Wait lang! 1! Ano gagawin ka? Tatabakay kita! Hoy! Kasi sir! Ay, huwag kayo magagaya! Madudulas kayo! Madudulas kayo! 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Sasunod ako. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sino? So, hindi na ba ako ni Kuya? Hindi niyo ba ako? Thank you! Thank you po! Sige! Okay na? Ay! Oy! Ay, sorry, sorry. Uy, pahila, pahila.
Balik ka dito, matuot ka, matuot.
Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay na? Uy, hello.
Hi, we're here at
Saan? Secret Beach?
Secret Beach.
Secret? Secret Beach?
Secret Beach.
Secret Beach? Kapag ano yung Secret Beach? Ito lang yung way ko para makita yung surroundings ng maayos.
Yan, bato.
Nakikita niyo po, merong mga rare species ng may mga rare species ng isda dito. Ha? Ano yan? Where are we?
Secret Beach.
Secret Beach. Wala pa, isa pa, one more. One more. Secret Beach. Where are we?
Secret Beach.
You can note one of our IG and then we'll message
Yeah,
you.
perfect.
And if you want, we can take another picture.
Nah, I think that's the only bit, like the first cut is the perfect.
Yes, you can screenshot.
Yeah.
What's the profile?
Okay.
Okay.
Yay! Hi! Bye-bye!
Selfie.
Yeah!
production. What another production, guys? Okay, guys. Dali na!
Bye-bye! Thank you sa pictures na yung kanina.
Hawak lang, hawak. Dikit niyo po isa. Dikit para di kayo mag-iwalay-walay yan.
Ay, grabe. Tenga ko malalagyan.
Mati ka ba?
Ha? Kuya, sorry po ha. Medyo mabigat. Don't panic!
Thanks for the ride.
Wag muna!
Okay lang.
Okay na ba? How was it? Perfect? How was it? How's your hair?
My hair is like, putol na.
1, 2, 3, go!
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding life. The roads that lay open are many, and the old ones gone under the night. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Ang bilis na nila. 1, 2, 3 agad. Dali na. Kailan na lang. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ulit.
Ano kayo ganyan, no? Ay, dinalangan ni ano yung... Yan. Ay, wala siyang picture eh. Ay, sa kanya na ito. Ano mahalap kasi dyan?
Yan na, gagamitin nyo na lang. Ganun talaga.
Ayan na naman si Jen, tinutulak na naman ako.
Okay, hi guys. We're going to Hidden Beach. El Nido Island is so mysterious. Marami silang tinatago.
Jen, saan yung ulo mo? May lumalangoy na life jacket. Uy, puta.
Video.
Ito na!
Tapos naman. Tapos naman magasgasan yung bato ha.
Ay, shot.
Sam, nakakita ka dyan?
Oo. Naglagay ako.
Magasgasan ang bato. Welcome sa England ha. Ayan ang bato. Wow!
So, Sorry po pag nadaganan ko kayo, nadulas na ako. Aw, putik. Shit. Oh.
Grabe naman pala to.
Ayan. Uy, ito to, pinahirapan nyo lang kami, no? Hindi, pero maganda naman yung view, so it's okay.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you